In this video, I am going to show you how to install BCNC by Python on Windows 7 64-bit. I tried to scour the web because I want to use a CNC machine to do some parts for my electronic projects, and so far it took me 3 days to find out to crack how to install this on Windows 64-bit. So I decided to make a guide to help you guys out there who are also having the same problem, because of a few mistakes, minor mistakes. So I was able to solve the problem by reading the feedback of the Python software during installation, as well as some of the comments and instructions on the Stack Overflow. And by far, this is the simplest process that I have come up. Very simple. It took just a few minutes, and I laughed about it. I laughed on myself about it. Okay, number one is you have to download and install the Python 2.7 64-bit if you have 64-bit, and 32-bit if you have 32-bit operating system. uh, I have tried it with the 32-bit because I don't have a 32-bit operating system. So after the installation of the Python 2.7, I have actually specific 2.7.13. You go to the command prompt, run a command prompt as a administrator, then upgrade the PIP that is included in the Python 2.7 installer package. Then you have to install the py serial because it's one of the prerequisites to operate the BCNC. Then install also the numpy, and lastly install BCNC. Everything is done in the command prompt using the pip package. Afterwards, double click bcnc.py on the BCNC folder that you also download this from the GitHub. Just Google everything. Google BCNC and Google Python 2.7, then you're good to go. So let's start. First tip is the install the Python 2.7.13. Install for all users. I've changed the drive to drive D, so it's very easy to access for me. Click next. Then don't forget to tick this tab, install entire features so of the Python. This will also add the Python exe to the path files in your operating system. Click next, then wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. So it's done. We have already installed Python 2.7.30. So the second step is we are going to run the cmd as an administrator. Okay, cmd, or the command prompt, right click, run as administrator. Alright, yeah. So according to my instruction, we should upgrade first the pip package. Okay. The command is python minus n pip install upgrade pip. Python minus n pip install software. Okay, it's just a few minutes or seconds, I think. Okay, we're done. Next step is to install the py serial using the pip package we just upgrade. Okay, pip install py serial. Okay, that was fast. Then next you have to install the numpy. I don't know what's the exact pronunciation. Okay, numpy. Boink. It's done. Next, we are to install the the BCNC. BCNC. Tcharam! Okay, we're done. So after that, let's go to the folder of BCNC. Double click BCNC file from the BC folder that you have downloaded, and you're done. Okay, go there. Where's my BCNC? Okay, here's the bcnc.py. Options show you the extension. Okay, so you can see the extension. That's the extension. Charan! Okay, so yeah, we have successfully installed the BCNC version 0.9.14. Okay, that's it. For now, I hope this video guide will help you, especially those who are beginners like me with those commands, those from and the Python. Thank you for watching. If you want to know more or see more videos from me in the future, I'll be making more videos with related to electronics, electromechanical projects, DIYs. Subscribe and be my fan club or audience, I think. Goodbye.